wonderful friends, you're highly welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or depends where you're listening from. I remain your girl Lily Good, and today I want to share the spiritual benefits of the sleep. Yes, as I promised you in my previous video that I'm going to share it with yours. If you need to watch the previous video, please you can check the description box. I will be leaving it there for you to see it, because there is where you're going to see how you can plant it yourself, the physical benefits of it, the health benefits of this leaf, and probably you're gonna see the do's and don'ts you have to keep for this leaf to work for you spiritually. So there is a need for you to check the description box. So getting this leaf or planting it yourself, yes, you have to plant it yourself. It doesn't take time, it doesn't take you anything. You can just cultivate it using just the leaf. Okay, once you plant it and beside your house, your room, wherever, and then you have to allow it to germinate. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is this. You're gonna get me coins. Yes, if you can get any coins, really 50 coins, 50 kobo, 1 kobo, 1 naira, anything, any coins, it represents the money using starting your business. Okay, once you get it, you have to speak to this leaf. When you are doing this, make sure you don't have any distraction from anywhere. Yes, you have to focus. Okay, so it is advisable you do it maybe cool evening at night when nobody would disturb you. All right, then when you get it, you have to speak to that money, that this money represent the money using start establishing your business. Okay, after speaking all those things to it, you want to see your business flourish. Please, you have to bury it beneath the stem of this leaf. Okay, this plant or this flower, whatever, just beneath, under it, you have to plant it there and cover it, and that's all. Then if you cannot get coins, you cannot get that kind of material now, because it is scarce in so many parts of this world, you can actually use corn, maize. Yes, you can actually use it. Just get maize for me. You have to pound it, but not like powder. Pound it with pestle and mortar. It's not going to turn to powder. Speak to it and then bury it just the way. Remember, maize and corn represent money in spiritual rain. All right, make sure you keep the do's and don'ts. So if you are here, if you don't know about the do's and don'ts, please check the description box. You will see the link that will take you to the place where I mentioned the do's and don'ts of this leaf. This leaf has so many spiritual purposes. Okay, so this one is just for the way you can use it to make your business or boost your business. Okay, so try this and then give us feedback very soon. Yes, I mean very soon. I'm then going to upload another video on how you can learn, how you can make more money, how you can sell even if you cannot do this one, what you can rub and go to your shop and you see customers coming in and going out from the shop. So if you want to, so many people today, they may go to shop and they will just stay idle without selling. So many people will make more sales, more profit, but they cannot give accounts of it. So many people will end their monthly salary without knowing the tangible something they will do with it. At the end of every month, they will be left hungry, like pocketless. Okay, if you want to know more on how to make your money to be with you, all right, then leave a comment in the comment section, and then you have to subscribe. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I post my videos, you will see it without bothering yourself. I tell you that this channel is here to liberate us. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.